I'm going to show you how to make these potato ground chicken patties that are really good, but I don't have measurements for the seasonings. I read this recipe so many years ago, and now I just usually wing it. I like a lot of cumin because I find chicken bland, so I like a little cumin. I like a lot of pepper, but this grinder is not very good, so I'm going to use a mortar and pestle. Looks like I've already got some in here. Some pepper. Look at all the black sesame tahini I have. Okay, and now I'm going to put in some herb Mer from A. Vogel. A. Vogel was a guy that sold sauerkraut juice, carrot juice, muesli. He was like a very natural, I think Swedish or Swiss. I think he was from Switzerland. So I'm going to put a bunch of herb Mer in here. And it has kelp and watercress and all kinds of different vegetables and seasonings. And then aromat. Shout out to Helma who introduced me to aromat. It's very good, but it sometimes gets caked together in there because there's no anti-caking agent added. I'll just add a bit of that. And I'm going to stir it with a knife. I don't like to dirty too many. If I've already dirtied some, I'll just use it. I don't want to dirty another utensil. Once you got it mixed, you can mix with your hands. Oh, and we need some eggs too. So let's get a couple eggs in here. Just going to take the risk and crack them right into the recipe here. Let's hope they're good. Yep, they look perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to use my hands and, put in some good vibes into my chicken patties. It's a little messy, but that's all part of it. All part of the goal. Reaching the other side of deliciousness of flavor country. Now that the pan is nice and hot, it's going to be non-stick, this stainless steel pan. Now that it's hot, and the olive oil is shimmering. This is regenerative extra virgin olive oil. So from La Touraine. Okay, so then you just make a little patty. I leave some of the potato chunks in because I like it chunky. And just get those going. Get these little patties going. I'm going to put it all in the pan at once. I bet I can fit it. We did it! Yay! Okay, let's see how these are doing. Let's see. Oh yeah! That's what we're looking for. Now I'm going to squish them down. This one needs rehabilitation. He didn't have enough room to cook. Oh, he's really loose, but it's okay because we're going to put these in a pita. We're going to warm up some pitas, and we're going to add hummus and yogurt and parsley and lemon juice, olive oil, za'atar seasoning, a little bit of lettuce. We're going to warm these up. Oh, and these pickles that we got today, but they're cucumber and coriander. Very good. So, I'll show you what it looks like after we're done. Okay, I've warmed up my pita in a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to use some hummus. Slippy slidey. Hummus. And the za'atar seasoning. And the chicken patty. Some of my chicken patty have crumbled. Again, it's okay if it does that. Ideally, it's chicken patty, but sometimes you don't get what you want. And some fresh pickles, pickled cucumber with coriander seed. Yeah, I just dig into the jars. Oopsie. Put some lettuce, and let's put a little lemon juice. I guess I'll use this. Wee bit of lemon juice and some parsley from our garden. And now I will give it a test. Good.